Hello, I'm back to follow up the resolutions for New Year. I hope you have made your goals for your career. Now let's talk about money. First of all, review your money situation and also write down your budget. This is what I did a couple of years ago when I realized that I was losing control of where I was spending money. So I'm applying the same thing here. So find out what all you're spending on a monthly basis. Certain things are very necessary and certain others may not be. Make it a point to save money. At least 10% of your income should go into savings, which you can invest into something else. Something else in the sense which will give you returns, like mutual funds. And make sure that you also have somebody who will advise you with the right way to invest the money, even small amounts, so that you will be able to get the maximum out of your earnings in both ways, direct income as well as passive income. And there is no problem in getting passive income. I'm sure you would have heard that you have to work very hard for money, and that is how you can retain the money. But now it is no longer relevant. Everybody has passive income if they can. And also, maybe you would like to have a consultant, financial consultant, who can actually tell you what to do. So make these arrangements for the new year so that you can review them in a systematic manner. And you may also want to have an emergency fund where you put a little bit by so that you don't have to run around for money if there is any family emergency or somebody falls ill suddenly and you need to have cash with you. So please segregate these needs of yours and accordingly put it in the right pockets. Write down how you would like it to pan out, and that is the goal for 2025. And don't forget to review this monthly and see how you're faring. When you change your budget needs, maybe you will get some objection from the family. Because if you have been the kind of person who has been spending everything that came in, you will be keeping something back for savings. So that is not available for the family. So tomorrow, let's talk about your relationships in the coming year. So see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.